Hey there, gamers. Are you ready to link your Epic Games account to Rockstar Social Club? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, fire up your browser and head to the Rockstar Games website. Once you're there, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then navigate to Settings. From there, click on Linked Accounts. Now, if you're like me, you might not see any Epic Games account linked just yet. No worries, we'll fix that. Next, click on your profile again, but this time, select Help and Support. And then click on Account Support. Choose Social Club, then click Linked Account. Now, in the subject field, type Link my Epic Games account with Rockstar account. Once you've got all that sorted, hit Submit Ticket. And there you have it, folks. Once you submitted your ticket, all that's left to do is wait for Rockstar to work their magic. If this method works for you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!